Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can delete all your favorite videos on your YouTube in one go. This method will work on both iPhone and Android. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to open up our YouTube. Now at the bottom right side of the screen, we click on our page. Then at the top, we're going to click on the gear. And now we're going to select Manage All History. Once your account loads, you select Interaction at the top. Next, we select Video Likes and Dislikes. And now you and I can see the full list of videos we once liked. So how do we delete them? The first way, if you want to just delete likes or remove likes from any one video, then you just select that video, and at the top you click on the cross. That's how you delete videos. And then we'll select another one, and we'll click on it. And we delete the video. But what if you don't want to delete one video each time? Then there's an easier way. You find a date, and for that day, let's say it's March 8th. I've got some videos here. And if you click on the cross next to that date, you'll see all the videos you've ever liked disappear. Same thing on March 16th. Similarly, this is the simple way you can delete all the videos you like on YouTube, either a particular video or all videos at once. Hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, give us your likes and comments. See you later.